The 14th IPL auction is supposed to take place on the 18th of February in Chennai. Now, obviously, it's a mini auction, and we all know that. Having said that, every IPL auction is always accompanied by a degree of zeal. And some teams actually have a lot of money. Can they fill some slots? There are some important players like a Glenn Maxwell, for example. How much will he go for? Some players have been released, a number of Australians. Steven Smith, for example. How much will he go for? There are a lot of these sort of 1-1, 2-2 slots, which are important slots, which will be filled by teams. Let me give you some statistics to start with. 292 players have been shortlisted, out of which 164 Indians and 125 overseas, 113 capped and 176 uncapped players. So that's part of the basic statistic. Now let me give you how much each team actually has. So for example, a Chennai Super Kings, who all of us think will have to sort of fill a few gaps because we know what happened last season. But they have again shown faith with the existing team. 20 crores, 19.9 to be exact. Mumbai Indians 15.35. Delhi very little, 13.4. KKR 10.75. The team that Sunrisers again 10.75. The teams that have real money, Kings 11 Punjab to be exact has, let me check my figures, 53.2 crore rupees. Rajasthan 37.85 crore rupees. So Royal Challengers 35.4 crore rupees. So that's a hell of a lot of money that some of these teams have. How will they fill the slots? I mean, importantly, Chennai has 7 slots, which includes 1 overseas, Delhi Capitals 6, 2 overseas, Kings 11 9 slots, 5 overseas. So they actually, with that kind of money, 53 crores, you expect them, KL Rahul, to do a bit of a splurging along with coach Anil Kumble. Mumbai Indians 7 slots, 4 overseas, not much money. Rajasthan 8 slots, 3 overseas. They are expected again because they've left Steve Smith and some of the people. Royal Challengers 13. They absolutely will go for a couple of big ticket buys. Maybe Virat Kohli and Gautam Gambhir says will open. Will they go for Glenn Maxwell? Sunrisers Hyderabad 3 slots. Again, they have a relatively safer side. Some of the players who I will have a watch, eye for. Glenn Maxwell, always a tremendous big bash player, and in Australia we've seen what he could do against India in white ball cricket. But coming to the IPL, he has been very erratic. I mean, he has had a lot of criticism come his way. Maybe a Steve Smith, who obviously is a better test match player, but in a white ball format, will expect or want to do some amends. There are some of these guys who I think will fetch quite a lot of money. For example, will some of the New Zealanders, if you watched the Super Smash, they've done very, very well. Will people go for some of them who are possible all-rounders? You take a look at someone like a Kyle Myers, for example, from the West Indies, and you know how much potential there is in the market. Will people sort of do their research and go for big some of these buys? So it's always an interesting auction. I've given you the details. I will have a clear watch out on the 18th of February, and we'll come back to you on Fan Code with more details. Watch out for the IPL auction on the 18th of February.